In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to use Butler to auto-add checklists when cards move lists. Open the Trello board where you want this automation to happen. This is important because Butler rules are created at the board level, so you want to make sure you're inside the exact board where your cards and lists already live. Once you're on the board, click Automation. This is where Trello keeps all of its Butler tools, including rules, buttons, and scheduled automations. For this setup, click Rules, because you want Trello to react automatically when a card reaches a specific list. Now click Create Automation. This starts a new rule, and the first thing you need to define is the trigger, which tells Trello when the automation should run. Click Add Trigger, then look for the option that says when a card is added to a list. This trigger is what makes the rule fire the moment a card is moved into a chosen list. After selecting that trigger, make sure to choose the correct list name. This part matters a lot because the automation will only run for cards added to that one list. If you pick the wrong list, the checklist won't appear where you expect it to. Next, click the blue plus icon to add your action. The trigger tells Trello when to act, and the action tells it what to do. Click Action, then from the Action option, select Checklist. In that section, choose Add an empty checklist. This is the setting that creates a brand new checklist on the card automatically. Now enter a checklist name. Pick something clear and practical, like a checklist title that matches the stage of your workflow. That way, when the card moves into the list, the checklist feels organized and immediately useful. After entering the checklist name, click the blue plus icon again to add that action to the rule. Then click Save. At this point, your Butler rule is live and ready to work. To test it, move a card into the list you selected earlier. Once the card lands there, open the card and confirm that the checklist was added automatically. If everything was set up correctly, you should see the new empty checklist waiting on that card. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You've now created a Trello Butler rule that automatically adds a checklist whenever a card is added to a specific list. This is a simple way to standardize tasks, reduce manual work, and make sure nothing gets missed when cards move through your workflow. If you're using Trello for projects, content pipelines, or team handoffs, this kind of automation can save a surprising amount of time. Congratulations, you're all set.